This is a unique video guide on how to snow kite and hill glide. With my many years of experience snow kiting, I will share with you all that I have learned so you get the best start possible. Begin your quest to master snow kiting. Learn about equipment, setting up, pre-flight checks, gliding wind window, riding uphill, traversing, riding downhill, hill gliding tips, how to hill glide, forward and backward flying, changing altitude, changing heading, down loop landing, kite loop landing, no loop landing, packing down, maintenance, and more. Would you like to know more? This video will go into a lot of detail about the techniques used to hill glide on snow. It is extremely dangerous to attempt this kind of flying and not recommended by kite manufacturers. Only advanced riders who are very experienced and proficient with kite loops and big air should even think about attempting to glide with a kite. It is important to do these things safely as it can result in injury or worse. I am making this video to share my personal experiences and give my own advice. I learned from riding with many other professional hill gliders that ski, snowboard, or can do both. I have interviewed them and I will share everything I learned in this how to hill glide SnowKite tutorial for ski and snowboard. This video is not endorsed or sponsored. It's just my story on the journey I took to learn how to hill glide and how to make it safer. I will use my footage and slow things right down and explain what's going on and how to do it. Learn what took me many seasons to master in this video. This tutorial will be available to buy as a digital product. See the link in the description and please support my channel. Check out my merch store, like and subscribe, and comment below as I would love to hear from you.